Are you sure we are live? Ingenzi into zayo. Ingenzi into zayo. Alright. Thank you. Greetings everybody, it's Mr. Hectic on your screen and we're back again with another episode and I'm here with
SK. Go busy, what easy.
And we're back again boys. Another episode. Some crazy. Kuchisa kunje. Ayo Margate nenzani Margate
W baba W
master boyfriend wenu
ayahaslisha boy
yabo manje sekho lesi champi
jonge mo asingaqhaphazeleki boy awu Wolf ngiyavuma mina boy no Wolf now Wolf is the shit
like PHARA boy
Wolf is the shit yabona esakhosi ngoba sebenza over yazi ukufusana ukudlula amaphoyisa bro la
esagijima ngala mjina mfethu ungenosho ba emhlabathini mjina mfethu enigijima ngala
baba wanted running for his life
ishobile baba ebo
abaqale bafuna lapha abona isibadlula lapha eShoprite lapha eShoprite hayi uhambiwe meeting lapha 2 vans 10 men back lapha back
uqhamuke ngala ngaphambili kwaseShoprite ebethi awuhambile wayelwayo sibona ngayidluli yale siyasehla la sibona ngitsayibona hayi phake la siyabheka bethi
baqhamuka bekujubane boy juwa uyengala oh na alimshonele kulokishi namhlanje boy alimshonele bana ngithi
kumashana mjina
awungeke ngamash boy ufuna iforum yazi mabekuthola ziyakhala
ucinga nje ngimosha kwelanga dog
hustling bro I'm a hustling boyfriend bro
kwelanga
zathini bro
bomanje
hustlisha bro
manje emhlabathini
ushisi yeah wait do you think phethe amaphara yaziza ukuthi ano
I doubt
ngiyangazizwa kodwa mfethu
yeah
ngiyangazizwa
yeah guys that's what I'm saying
kwaye mhlambe
unless they just sebelijwayele
just this what it is
but ngeke ungasizwa bese usiyanuka ikhwapho juluko
hayi
ayikhetha
hayi
inyimbe zinyuka
mfethu athathu lo wethu amanzi ngedala
yabona
usho yamncinza nje ngoba sehlaba bethe ezweza
ntombazane eyiphara ntombazane eyiphara ukuthi nwangana sonke siyani
we short cap nje
sikhuluma ngamaphara phela nakithi akhona on both sides not always oloki akhona mama sigebengu baba
hola la bakhona yefa akhona you're not lying boy speaking facts tshela
cabanga manje oh shit
ayikini bese kwenza ube yiphara like decide ukuthi abona manje I'll be hustling
abadecide boy
abadecide
controller boy sayini bakubhedela lapho hambe
bayakubhedela boy we
shiya umbhedo ocomfy yolala phansi
ngicabanga
trend mfethu amanzi shower
indlela eplatini bethu yodlela emgqomeni it's fucked up boy shishawa boy hlaba edamini oh no boy
biza ngani impahla bayibhema eCrystal
awo uba confirm awubhemani manje
bro they just smoke anything boy
athi umalabazo nyamazi umalabazo
nawo
bale
impahla nje bayibhemayo babathi umalabazo
alabasi drug food
crack idume kakhulu e3 lapha shawa
e3 food nenzani emagate alabazo manje
alabazo yabo esisiloku sikona
oh nah
alabazo mongayo nje ngiyazi ukuthi ngazi ngibona
like xa describe bathi into enjani bethu
something like cishe eCrystal man something like that I don't know I'm not sure
but ubuzo wami bayiqala njani
how do you like
go to like hardcore drugs
bro
nyawo bro like
oh it's angisayizwa manje boy let me just try nyawo open shit boy nah nayangizwa ya Jesus nah ingqondo yakho
manje
bro angizwa yena that week nah
azibhene izinto
shiya ama-edibles shiya insango shiya yo and jump for the hardcore boy
eyincane lezo kubona ngoba mina zingikhila kanje ishowcase bona abayinzi
just a snack.
Isifundle snack lesiyangilambisa wethu siyangilambisa singidosisi nje wena mfethu siyangilambisa
kulala emile
bro awoma sebeqhunywe into yabo lefethu they out of control boy ngibona umuntu akekho wayila emhlabeni boy he's in his own world man
lamakula lawo
bro
Kodwa
mele baxoshe lawa ahlale point
aziphandele
it's your own decision.
ayaphani
Decision yakubamba uqala ama-drugs manje.
lazo siyamanga ukushanyawo man bye
What do you mean all the time?
phela influence kugcinile
At the end of the day, it's your
decision
decision.
yo yabo manje mase feel sugar spam would you want to smoke yabo discipline yakho oh
Exactly. Umuntu ba okay, this is not for me. This is for me.
uyazazi ukuthi what's for you
influence
yabona sleep man
influence
umuntu ohlele under pressure for no fucking reason nah you can't do it without pressure
Drugs.
you can't do things without pressure bro
Drugs.
I'm trying to look cool on drugs
into yayiphilisi amhlophe hayi ungabi sahlala nokuhlala namdo ngokuthi nje soshaya lezo impahla
Drugs, bro.
yeah man
next time sizosamba uyophuza next thing umkhiphe into emhlophe ukhiphe nestraw
We all grown over here.
yeah
No, we not.
soshaya
Mancane thina mfethu. I'm traumatized.
konje if the show le yafika neto kunya like the one we know like drugs ukuthi ama drugs are dangerous compared
Something else got.
That's true, bro.
Sugar, I don't know, man.
yeah I show the banks I think boys cocaine
Yeah, but my like
asibamtholile
yo yo
Oh, nah.
yini shawa lapha
Umuntu obvious.
uyo lo skesara nje uyaskesara phela yibo
damn
As we said, kushubile.
ha isho kanje amaleshizi fan
wazi siphethe ucingo lagesi kanti
at first I thought it was someone sneezing it's like I didn't get kubeka
emahlathini because khala
ngithi umuntu osneezayo nah
Ziyakhala.
shit happening but yo but benza kahle mfethu Margate ayibe clean bro Margate is so clean now
amadolokishi vela emarket awasafani nakuqala
la netheku amatheku itheku i-Shepstone manje boy clean PHARA Shepstone yo
lokho ngiyizwa hayi yabanjwa
yo asikhale
Shepstone kanjani
Back in the day, boy,
afana
out of the blue, out of the
Nje.
blue, phambi kwabantu,
senior we
phambi kwabantu, bambi inkonzi. Wait,
alexana
nje
ukubuka
abe nge-school driver boy yo
bona ukuthi asishaya
I'm not talking uniform nje Shepstone was try for you boy try for you
wait,
boy
that's a shape.
yo plus iyazika ukuthi nah those niggas are living boy
Yo,
yo abasuke ibhadini plus yo targets
abo manje akuphola kakhulu manje. Sokwazi ukushaya ama-video call.
nah bro sekwazi nokuvloga manje
Ubala
abanye
imali, uhamba ubala imali.
cabanga uhamba ufika ungabhekanga emva kwakho
F15.
Shepstone
What?
but do you
Who
think
knows?
bro who could have
you
known
think i-forum it would work these big cities like
Sure.
Durban, Gauteng
Once bekhona lezi manje.
nah there's a video I saw cabanga
Once bekhona lezi.
to Facebook there about abantu e-West like yeah they were doing a video Facebook bethi yabona abantu bakhokhela i-forum so babulala one by one bro bethi laba bakhokhela i-forum bafuna kuxoshwe thina siyi-West so babulala one by one what
lahlani
Once bekhona lezi.
Nah, pew pew is crazy man
2023 December 2023
Yeah.
kona mfethu umuntu wadutsulwe passport olukhunjela i-forum lapho mina ngithi ama-cricket zoza next day uthi akho umuntu orile phaa was part of the forum
shit happens bro
shit
Crazy.
crazy business. Yabona nje amalokishi atile uThekwini na they cook mlazi wamasho inando. They cook boy. West ilahlani. We. Abafana be-West is.
Shayela babo. Philwa kanzima.
Amadodo sibanibani.
Talking about guns, we saw that like let's Premier Aaron and Cruz Africa.
Yeah, the beef street. Yo, that shit was trolled, man. Who the fuck is Jaden, by the way? Like, that nigga is crazy, bro. Rage beats, yo. How Jaden, I'm keeping this stack, boy. I don't have shit.
Nabakuliwa ngamanqini njengamadoda.
But still, even if you're going to bezoshala Jaden, please. I'm born to Cruz Africa.
Akagamela, dog. On a screen, dog.
On the stream, bro.
Nigga, you gonna get canceled.
Hold on,
Jaden made me realize that I don't reach big enough.
I don't reach bait enough, boy.
Exactly. So I'm telling you right in your face, boy. The music is trash.
Rich baiting a 40-year-old.
Bro!
Gun on you. Come on. Generational rich bait.
From the live, Baba. Funny meet up in rich bait, bro. But you are trash. Yeah.
Only you should have stats, bro.
You should have stats, bro. You've been in the game. You've been upcoming. Yeah, I tried to say that. So, you've been upcoming, bro.
You sound like Reese. Okay, you don't sound like nobody. You sound like cock. Oh, you both say it, man.
Yeah.
You both say it,
Chose violence with your face. It's too big. Wait.
Oh, you sound like cock.
HipHop beef.
Well, the cruise. Nah, man.
But to be honest, nigga, I know that song, Tao. Did you know that song, Tao? Yeah, Cruz Africa.
Hey, I knew about Cruz Africa, but I didn't listen to music.
Yeah, that's a.
Like someone.
Yeah, that's a. Everybody knows there is. Now I know there's someone Cruz like. Yeah, well, Cruz Africa.
It's a hip hop.
Yeah.
Usually
try hip hop and
But I get to Jaden shine the line. Let's see. Who's saying Cruz Africa? Everybody calls me Tao. As a Cruz Africa, who calls it Tao? Nobody calls it Tao. Nigga just woke up and shows violence, boy. Violence, boy. Aye.
No, I think that's a Maz. Listen to his music.
It's a hip hop. Apparently, allegedly, Uti he put on Uzingumal.
Yeah, so not that he put on, he said he inspired.
Oh, he inspired.
Yeah, inspired by Zingumal.
if you say so.
What's shiny TM of a TM?
Proof, boy.
I see you.
Evidence, boy.
Please, don't play with Cruz. Don't play with me.
Legendary.
Can it be, man?
Boy.
LV. Don't play. Don't play.
Boy, he's been in the game, boy. He's been in the game, boy. Don't play with Ankh, boy.
Big balls, bro.
Big balls. It's a hip hop, though.
Hip hop.
It's a hip hop, though.
No wonder.
Oh, no.
Shy hip hop never Saudi MT back in the day. Like before roll up.
Before roll up. Roll up, blew up, but we still don't know Ankh. Oh, nah.
MT switched up when he got signed by Ambitious.
Hey, music industry.
And then apparently they have a beef or something.
It seems like Ankh has a beef with everybody.
In the industry, things are weird.
How so?
I don't get it.
People are beefing left, right, and center in the music industry.
Not even the music industry, the entertainment industry in the whole.
Yeah.
I'm not ghosting out.
There's always beef.
Hey,
Unnecessary.
I'm not spoken.
So, if I know about much.
If I know open chats, spoken. It's our spoken. It was in my open chats.
Yeah, come now.
I think like he just doesn't feel them at all.
I'm bros. I stream in the club now. When Sino was tapping up,
I'm shaking mine.
I was like, wait.
So Sino's greeting you.
Wait.
Well,
Sona sibongo baba. Siyabamazi. Uzophinda ukhulume ngathi nathi.
Kiyabamazi.
Uthi kiyabamazi.
Bamtholani lapho seqeda like you know he crashed his BM. Yo, bamtholani. Nigga having fun way.
What is it?
Like bebethi like angithi he might Sino then umthoba athi Sino's ancestors are working overtime, boy. Like your ancestors are working overtime, boy. I respect them, boy.
Yeah.
With just mizing you, boy. Someone is crashing their car, boy. A whole new car, boy. Like not even 5 months old, boy. Like, cause he recently bought the car. I think this year. Yeah. I think he bought it this year.
Sure.
Of course, he has money, boy. That's I don't know if that's a second, cause there's a lime one and there's a red one.
Yeah.
Spogo is
R8 lapho.
boy. Don't play with Spogo, boy. Shana kusheshe.
Image.
And still renting them. Wow, people are crazy, bro. How would you rent so many cars and for such a long time, bro? Nah, bro, renter, yo,
1 day.
I rented R8, yeah, some crazy piece, boy. What? Rented R8,
Like the heat has to like stop.
bro. The hate gets to a point, bro. Like this shit is stupid. There's nothing you hate it, boy.
Relax.
There's nothing to talk about. Just shut up, bro. Just shut up, bro. Because the hate just be unnecessary. Like,
Speaking about Uspogo, do you think ulo Sino is showing his ex to see?
who is it? Usima?
Siya.
Siya?
Siyamthanda.
Siyamthanda?
Yeah.
Sino Siya?
Yeah.
Apparently,
Yeah, baba.
he is chowing or he chowed.
He is
baba. Utola naye. Alleged.
That's why I'm Chita.
The fire!
Ashka Ryan on the highest left. On the projection left.
And the nigga moves crazy, but
Operator, don't play.
wait, speaking of the fire, do you think like his relationship with Sama Naomi was like a content relationship or something? Or it was real?
It looks like it. But yambona ulo uzama from the way she is right now. Yabona ukuthi she was in deep. Lapho nazo ukuthi uzama like that goes.
Yeah, ngifuna naye.
W's.
Whoa, what?
W.
Sama Naomi, wala.
Yeah, boy, that's
Finish it.
goes.
Oh nah.
W.
Oh nah. She's cute as fuck.
Yeah, munde boy.
I'm not she's a boy. Damn.
She's
Independent woman, 10 toes
boy.
10.
What? The biggest.
Isho lutho.
In boy, an objection.
Isho lutho. Ayibo.
Usho phela one objection. Sizwe opinion yakho boy.
Hayi.
Independent woman.
Yeah, sazifika njani lapho. Sazifika njani lapho.
Yeah. Hey, ngiyakuzwa boy.
Another boy, man.
I hear you.
Do you think South Coast has like influencers, not influencers, but like upcoming influencers or like vloggers? Do you think it has potential for that type of stuff?
Nah, potential.
We need more places.
More places. Oh yeah. But there are places around South Coast.
What can you do, man? Suppose that's fine.
That's fun. Ziplining.
Yeah, Really. What is it called?
You like South Coast or it called?
I'm talking about something that's like here.
Yeah, in Margate.
Yeah, like close to proximity.
Oh no.
Yeah, well,
Well,
so that's
so
why it's tough for like to get like influences, bro.
but like bro,
on transport, imali zoyspenda lapha, and cabanga sometimes to not jumping. Like,
okay, let's not say influencers, like content creators. Or so.
Sometimes about your content not making money yet, so you
Yeah.
can't be spending money.
Uyabona nathi siyashizila lapho.
Yeah, boss, sashizila nathi.
Siyashizila
That's my spending money. Say le.
You're not getting money. Yeah.
Well, that's why it's a bit tough. So.
Sizzling hard. Asinanye indawo yokushoza guys. Shubi.
9 ndawo boy.
9 ndawo boy.
9 ndawo boy.
Pholile.
Silapha enhloko boy, strategizing. Bethi CV boy.
Always make a plan.
Njengabani boy. Shoot a better CV boy. We the first boy. We the first boy. Creating history here boy. Imagine boy. Sibona beshower live boy. Njengabani boy. First person ever boy.
Ukuthi ngitholile ivideo lomjikelo.
Lost lives are
Yeah, but I don't know what's going on. Ngicanga umuntu ozijokelayo mina mfethu. Ngiba ngathi ngithi ayibukuleqa iphara.
Yeah, shit happens boy.
And balitholile.
He's good.
Nah, he's good, but ngiceda ngithola ama-lashes la.
He's good.
Yo, shawe forum.
Nangapha khona uwufu.
Damn.
I shot for Togo.
Ngiceda nasa story lesa straight all Uncle M. You see his friend.
Yeah.
Yo, she crazy bro. His friend got raped. Like.
Arwet boy. Arwet boy. Not his friend. Like a person his friend knows. Like a brew was drunk, a white brew.
Yeah.
From a village. Dagiwe, walking home.
Oh nah.
Like 2 a.m. Langa maphara fresh.
Assault boy.
I'm Selwan.
Assault boy.
Which is insane, dog.
That nigga never recover.
That's insane, dog. Ngibami ngani inkunzi.
Bro, let's just take the phone boy.
Ngibami ngani inkunzi.
Assaulting is another crazy shit boy. That's the
Ngibali twijile. Hayi.
Ngeke ndabuko mfethu. Ngeke ndabuko. Ngeke ndabuko mfethu.
Oh nah.
Hayi umuntu nosisa mfethu.
Why did the post come to us?
Bro,
Yo,
there's always something new here boy.
and it's something crazy, but it's just unbelievable.
Kumele uhamba usuku manje.
Uwanda ukusebenza overtime nje. Zezinto enzenzayo. Yazi ama-hustling boyfriend boy. You just get
So why are you hustling with
like bro.
What's the hustle there? What's the
Certification boy. Certification.
No, not skip food, skip bomb.
Yeah.
HipHop bro.
Yeah. Kosho balikufika nje kuwena vele baba, skate duzo baba. Skate duzo baba. Bro,
That's a whole wife.
Manhood gone.
I crazy part are you?
Gone manhood.
Very good.
Oh, manje utshena umjidaki.
Kune-trauma umjida athini mfethu.
Feeling ngaphakathi bro.
Aphela ngaphakathi.
Nigga.
Ungathula le boy.
Shathapho nzima baba. Awuphela ngaphakathi. Shathapho nzima. Umtshela kanjani?
Abengenazi fana. We. Okay, boy. You.
Kanti ungihwayela njalo. Sothi siyophuza nje.
Uzokhwela kanjani?
Njalo.
But that's deep,
That's crazy.
My king of friends don't have like boundaries, bro. They just
get to a point.
They just
Get
troll,
to a
boy.
point. From Chico Richie.
Chwa siyadlala pho.
That's a king.
Come on, count of paper. Abona. The mouth are dry.
So yo, boy, kaya japha. Ta wena oqala wena wadunisisizwa wena.
Awusazi ukuphapha.
Friday cijile.
Usikhathi into zikhulumayo.
Ta wena Friday cijile yo.
Abo manje ukuhlele ntule one.
That nigga never recovered.
Yo.
Therapy boy.
Angeke imsize therapy boy la. Uhleli ibuya le.
Shay therapy boy. Yabantu.
Uhleli ibuya le. Umlungu kanti.
Umlungu. Ngiyadela cabanga.
We.
Damn, yeah.
What's look isto?
I will look short, but when
Azamselwani khona uzomameza qethe
growing a vagala loot, boy, memes, shit.
Like village, dog. Bro.
Shit happened.
not a village
Why Puma corner, like he was drunk, going home.
cheap
Yeah.
somewhere there.
On his way home, boy, I try snatch. I'm trying to think what was the conversation going to the beach, cause better cheap people main road, boy. That's a long way to the beach, boy. What was the conversation between?
Bekwenzeka nje just accepted besilwa like this.
Ain't no way, boy.
Awubambi inkunzi kahle ungifunayo. Awungeke mse. Ane ka
I'm talking about blue and you're talking somebody down.
Nah, my God, you want bomb?
You. I guess.
Some you think umakhosha boy.
Take plus in
50 rand in your face with rice. Shine nge PJ on top of bonus yakho.
awungeke boy hoyibo amani kanjani la umbuzo wami uyiwhy uvukele njani wena nika
Bro, like how does it get there to that point, boy?
uvukele njani wena nika
Like how does it get to that point? It's nah. Funa imfundo zomchita ngo.
Lubricator ngamanzi.
Yeah.
so
Damn. Oh
Iziphuma
nah.
linukani. Hey, benizenzayo boy. Benizenzayo.
Paano tayo ako actually A9 la, bro. That nigga gay, why? Not actually A9. That nigga gay, boy.
It ain't safe no more.
yini ngithole phandle ebusuku manje
It ain't safe no more.
mawu ziyashaya ngaphandle
Niggas been moving crazy.
Never catch me walking. Ngisho kanjalo. Yeah.
Nigga, don't have a
catch
car,
me walking.
nigga. Oh, at night.
Boy.
At night. Specify yung kuluma, boy.
hayibo manje
Alas, I walk here at night now. It's crazy, boy. Especially when you're drunk.
Usidakele wamna.
hayibo mfethu
Ambamba.
mfethu yahamba uyahamba nje kumfazi wakho dog
And bro has a wife.
benza wena umfazi manje
Yo. Nah, that's a traumatic experience, boy.
untidy kulukisha ngifuna ungasho awungeza untidy
Vela amaphara bese gcwele nje.
After the second Kuala Margate, boy.
Hey, tshela ukuthi hayi mashini.
Bese jotsi for myself and shit. But nah, nigga. Silindeni nanibuke qani beke appearance yabo.
sakhala
Bese nayithola into enayifunayo. Yo. Eyashama para yo.
Ngikhumbula iforum saqala ukufika eShepstone. Yo,
Eyashawa eShepstone.
left right and center
Yo.
dog
isafika eShepstone.
left right and center nawe mfethu civilian bukwazi ukufaka yakho impama
La mothanda nje.
bukwazi ukufaka yakho
Khona lo wangiqhaza phansi kwemoto ngizodawo.
Wakha
Phansi kwemoto.
ngayibona la video le.
Iyabheka uma ngapha bayibambe ngapha. Phume ngapha bayibambe ngapha.
Lapha separking it's on na.
uyami uyibona ngikhumbula
It's on na. Lindwe ngapha nangapha boy. Try phuma baba akucasha izapha. Ngizothola ngokwakho cha.
fanelo
Thola imfanelo zakho nje boy ube right. Crazy shit.
spark ade life enikhethile bolo
Yo, iswebhu yo shambok boy ingenza kanje.
life enikhethile na I'm good bro
Living on the edge.
Living on the edge straight literally.
anything could happen
Awucocela umuntu wrong nje mfana ngathola inhlaba.
Uthola umuntu orongo njalo.
Abeluthola inhlaba ngisabhekele.
Sojikela abantu ababakini baphansi sebejikela cha sowenza kakhulu manje tseba
uthi imajile ukuthi
zawenza kakhulu
manje inyimbe zabantu
Yeah.
I'm glad about it
Karma is a bitch, boy. Karma is a fucking bitch. She doesn't forget, boy. Yeah, you enjoy it, but let's check what's now. Cut away with shit. Nah, nigga. I ain't got away with shit, boy.
Don't worry. Yabuya, man. You owe me.
Coming, boy.
You owe me.
You owe me. And karma always collects.
And
That's one thing about karma.
Come back multiply.
Boy. Utsho uqaleke siye kuthi awunayi bala umthakathile kanani ke. It's just karma. Karma collecting his debt.
Actions work.
They always got consequences, but some crazy shit.
So my mind umbuzo wami ke la mantozana ngabaphara yini bagqizela kuphara nje. I just wanted that.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
That's one I don't know.
Bangene njani? I always wonder, boy, how does a girl end up noma naye ungani ukuphathwa umzali ufuna ukuyoziphatha?
Nah, bro, there's no way. There's no way.
Noma nabangena the same way as gents, like somebody who introduced them to drugs. Usho undabuka nje wathi wena slay queen bitch.
Izwala.
Queen wase-London bitch. So izwala bitch. I'm sure isakayiwathi ehlele kuthi bitch lento yakho yangiphatha kahle we. Gone. Yakuphatha kahle uphinda angawaphatheka kabi ke wena woza mama. I be going to poverty, straight up poverty, boy, emgqomeni and shit. Yaboko, yo, bayaboko, boy. Yo, amathekeni, bro, zwasizela to shit. Bro, amabela kasekho, bro. Ngathi akakazi akakhona, bro. Oh,
It's like the juices were sucked dry from the
khona umoya engimaziyo ezishisa nto.
Ababuhlungu uthi wawaziwa ngeenkathi zakho
Eshisa nto. Drugs. Manje
don't even look at her the same.
yamdlula nje vele umbhena kabini.
ngiyibonile le nsephe le.
Ngayibona isinika. It's connected electricity. Like it's very difficult for him. Let me read it for the viewers. So abroad disconnected electricity for the whole village after losing an election, saying he connected with using his own money.
My money,
He has
boy.
also terminated bursary support for 60 students in his constituency, which he funded personally, and blames parents for not supporting him during the elections, thus losing the parliamentary seat.
Bro, standing on business, boy. But like, do you blame him? Do you blame him, bro? I never can blame, boy. Nenzela amanzi. Niyenza ibhasari ngemali yami. Aningivoteli.
My own cash.
My own fucking cash.
My own cash.
Ngizalamba. Ngizalamba. Plus, I'm boy, self-love, boy. Hayi, father. Oh. Abantu ngadlala abantu boy yabo kusiza abantu abamnyama bro. Abo wena usiza bona willingly boy, not bakucelile, willingly. All you want from them is a vote. Just vote. Mahala vote. Ngathi nginenzela bethu yo.
Cabanga ngisiza ngeyamali, cabanga imali bese nemali yegovernment ngisiza ngani.
Bro, base ngiyacabanga.
Yabo.
Ngiyeza ama students, 60 students bursaries.
Abantu abana vision.
Bro. Abantu boy
Nyama bana vision.
Bro. Imagine nje hle kuthiwa amakhansela awasebenzi amakhansela abantwana adla imali, but there are people who work and you still choose laba badla imali, bro. Like who don't do shit at all.
Ngiyabona
Ngoba uyamazi angikusukumazi lo votelayo uthi hayi uyamthemba bese fika phambili
He's part of them, just giving money, boy. Shaya umkhaba lapha. HT6
ngivotele sebenze for 2 months lokho
ANC.
plus hey
Sakude phela ANC ngaphansi.
sekude phambili.
Sikhona abogogo futhi abaphili bakuyona.
Awumhla wa reshuffle ANC though.
Kodwa phela
Aqashwa i-youth.
if ngaphuma ANC ngibona which party would go in? You think you go in?
I think
yo
Imashile.
Nah.
Imengibheka la.
Besides ANC machine, bro, but like ANC is too.
Ngiyabhela
Bro, lawo manje nje bese yabona ukuthi we'll be cooked, yeah. We are gonna be cooked. First of all.
EFF nje wazi ukuthi iparliament ukulwa ne-ANC kuphela.
That's what they're good at, bro. They're just good at fighting for students. That's what I could say for EFF.
Yeah,
EFF is
students,
very
okay.
good for students. Student way for the youth. That I could say. Country.
Don't give a fuck about that.
Azania boy. So Azania man.
There's the DA, abelungu futhi.
etsena nto belungu
Trauma first. Trauma.
akusafana kudala angizihlenishi ukuthi akusafana kudala
Unisiphinda.
it's what times have changed shintshani mina nivotela i-DA
We are a supporter for the DA.
yebo ngivota ukuvota mina
Ayishayi.
angazi ngavota
Ayishayi.
Kuyafana ave kuthiwa uma ungavotanga vele ivote lakho automatically
ya-ANC
ANC. That shit crazy. What? That's how they always win. This shit's rigged, boy.
Great.
It's fucking rigged.
so ngiyakudala ngathi umuntu mengavotanga akavotanga kumele nje ukuthi automatically tayitha ngoba
Angivotanga.
angivotanga ngoba ngifunanga ukuvota
Ukuvota mina ngiregister nini manje?
Like when, where?
Ngiregister nini manje? Izocount ivote lami.
Uyabona nje.
Kanjani?
Corruption, bro.
It's on the highest level.
On the highest level.
Highest level.
Home Affairs, boy. Out of my ID number lapho Home Affairs, bro.
Into the most
Phone kuphela la ngavotanga, bro. Cabaga.
Yo.
millions of dollars.
umuntu ahlala kwi-estate
You think if you like change the voting system to online, like voting online, there will be like change in terms of voting?
abakhona unqaba
Yeah, sure, that's
Bro, that's what I also think, bro. Yeah, that's what I also think, bro. I wanna see where electronic the way, bro. But like,
Yakutsha labantu abadala.
bro, reshuffle, boy. Aningi abantu abafundile bengenama degree.
Laba into engiqeda abanawo ama-degree naba.
Bonke.
Ama-matric.
Mate, yo,
Ama-matric.
yo.
Banawo.
Boy, that grade 9 isikole, boy. Minister wakho.
Basha amamiliyoni. Shocking.
Minister wakho. Oh. South Africa is a series.
kodwa kuthiwa yena hamba uyofunda ushaya i-degree uzoyenzani ukhamise nayo
Esabafuna 10-year experience.
Some experience.
uthatha apho ngazi usebenza
Qeda nje esikolweni. How the fuck am I gonna, bro? Like,
awuda into experience nayo
the experience, boy. I am a single there, bro. Why they don't just give you the experience, like
Ungangifundisa training.
yeah i-training
I know SDA one with Skill Development Act,
mina ngabe-offer training
bro. They should be training about share 12 months or 18 months. So
mina ngiya-apply sothi uyabheka ukuthi ngiya-qualify for lento ngiya-apply
like bonke ama requirements, experience
so
ayikho.
5 years experience
Oh, nah.
That's 5 years experience
Oh nah. Oh nah. Ay, South Africa, boy. Manje mimi ngafuna usinike umsebenzi, boy. Wasisabona sabafuni vele. Yeah, vele ufuna 7 years experience, boy. I just graduated. So ufuna 7 years experience. Ngizoyithatha phi, boy? So ufuna degree first of all. Ayoyenza degree. So ufuna experience manje,
Ngizonyaka.
bro. And futhi majority yemisebenzi ifuna experience.
yonke
Yonke, bro.
kancane
Proper job.
Proper jobs,
Get a proper salary.
experience.
kancane kuthiwa hambe ku shaya i-training
Na plus bakancane bangithiwa uthola i-training ngisho unenhlanhla
Awuna
straight.
ama-connection yangaboqolo, ama-connection wakho.
Plus boy.
ngisho futhi ukuthi abafuna isipani manje connection
Connection. Yeah, ukuthi ngubani wasibani boy.
Connection.
Yazi South Africa boy. Yeah, ukuthi ngubani impela wasiba futhi.
It's all about connection.
Phila nabantu abanjani.
avuthi letho siyayibona futhi kwezinye iy'ndawo ukuthi hayi connection
Plus abantu kuya ngokwazana boy ukuthi oh no.
awubebheka le nto futhi hawu yena usole kanjani kodwa bese ngibe one song kodwa yena useyasebenza mina ngisebenzi bona ukuthi hayi connection vele plus nabayasho ukuthi hayi boy connection
Akhuluma nobani mfisi wangifaka bethi sibani.
Know somebody.
You must know somebody boy.
Know somebody. Know somebody.
That's the way to beat unemployment. Bana la South Africa.
It's like 10. Not sure.
it's a one way to mina akahambe ayoshela imanager
Shitty manager, boy. Like, you get a job. You get a job. You get a job.
asifake sonke
Actually, you get a job. You get a job.
ungahlukana nayo kakusake
Everybody gets a job. Okay, my story kakhulu mase nihlukene mase Siyaqosha nonke one by one. CCMA boy ngeke nami relationship yakhe mina ngaqashwa mina la ayo ngihlala ngangani uyajola mina futhi
connection.
I thought you liked it for my skills.
Corruption. Can investigate?
Sabe nje kwa qualification. I didn't ask questions. Umsebenzi yahola nje. Why would you ask questions? Uyajola ngihlangana phi? At South Africa, well, you'll deny shit. Like, I know shit, but
I don't know shit, dude.
I see shit also. That's the only way to survive South Africa. I'm legally blind. Boy, so she can have him. Callen's in body, bitch.
Nesa sokuthengela amakhonta.
Washirone spama.
Ngavela ukuthi ngoba sekilabo nesabancane sabo labo abadala. Ilabo abancane.
La nesba manje. Phela bazathenga nama-Clio ke manje. Bathenga ama-Omoda phela manje. They know their worth.
Ama-manager, ama-CEO.
Ama-CEO. And I'll share my husband and my shaman on my business trip.
Yeah.
So my husband is always on the go.
Belum futhi manje dinga belum. Abantu bahamba phela ama-GLE.
Right. A Porsche.
Yeah.
Guys, I Porsche you. Belung Porsche you.
Kufuneka lokho manje.
Pull up in a Porsche, man.
Otherwise,
Uzobathola.
Huh?
Uzobathola.
Hey, where's the coast?
Hey.
Yeah, phansi.
Ndahlala kuyona.
Kodwa mfethu ngathi into yoshuka mama vele sigcina TV yazi. Hayi.
Nah.
Ngoba
Nah.
ngoba ngithe khona ishow uyayidlala yabushuka mama moja nawo. Khona ishow uyayidlala. Baba betshona ushuka mama kodwa labo ushuka mama akusibona ushuka mama.
Sure, yeah, so yeah, for sure it's
No,
scripted, you know.
Like dog, yeah, ishow but like dog, shuka mama yazi shuka mama umuntu onemali. Manje mobheka labo shuka mama abanamali. Azifanela nawe.
Phela usho John Salkwazi phela there's a different John Salkwazi noShuga Mama.
Yeah, ulikhuga.
Yabo, there's a fucking difference. John Salkwazi noma neShuga Mama.
Aware.
There's a very fucking difference lapha. Shuga Mama boy, not Salkwazi.
Umuntu onemali nemoto nomuzi wakhe.
So what do you want? PS5 mami. Buyele nawe nama games boy, 2 controllers.
Aphinde ufune kodwa boy. Sekuningi yonke into.
So apartment. Which one? Where?
Apartment bro. Yeah, investor. Shy investment.
Ngeke ngayiqola ngayo noma ngeke it's over ngiyama ngiset.
Mocha. Mocha.
It's fine. Bro, it's fine. This is supporting your decision.
Umdala kaphikiswa, right?
To be with me.
Umdala kaphikiswa, so
It's fine. By mali.
I'm uthola abangcono. I'm good. You just find me for life. You just find me for life. Bona nje mawuthola uShuga Mama, you should be strategic vele ubone ukuthi yabo lapha ethi ngosave ile nto yenziwa ulokhu nje ba nomjida bajoin noSomizi muha thatha half of his assets way half awumjida afika nganalutho ku relationship right child
W baba.
Oh nah, niggas in the business standing on business 10 toes, boy.
Uthola nzima mama.
You.
Udala bheje. Ngoba phela imjida wethu bemfisa nomfisa bro. Yo. Hey, awuthola nzima. Fanele. Yo. Fanele.
Ayithola hard bana yo awahlala futhi nakhona what was it a year and a half or 2 yo it was a long time though wahlala but that relationship yo she crazy
Investment bro.
kodwa bana phuma bani nemali ebonakalayo lapha half of Somizi's assets Somizi is generational crazy man kodwa ayenyazenza izinto for money though. That's extreme, brother. That's extreme. I am just secure the bag, boy. Normal poverty.
You're right, bro. You need the polio.
Polio, for sure, I'm fast. I call him, man.
take that news.
Hey,
No way on that.
you'll never know, bro. South Africa.
Yabo mokhaya thina siyabuza ukuthi ungamyeka yini uSomizi kulokhonje for 2 million. Same time ngithi
Nigga didn't hesitate, boy.
Yeah.
Boy.
It's such a come on smash it.
What?
Shot. Come on smash it. Some shot.
Yeah.
That's what he said.
That's what he said, boy. Literally, that's what he said.
Under fresh.
From Shata.
Under
From
fresh.
Shata. G.
Smash.
Especially nama relationship goals, boy. G. As long as I got what I want, though.
And we told you.
Yo, I told her, boy, that's a fortune for real.
Oh. Oh. Sugar mama.
So, I'm a
Hello.
Hello.
Let's tell us all.
Let's cook something over there, bro.
In March.
G, just to live life, right? Enjoy life.
In March. Because
G, it is. City Maliako, bro.
I don't know money.
It's very money and shit.
ngathi uJohn no Sugar Mama was a son about your age.
I'm buying his game, bro.
As long as Tolimale,
bro.
to my son.
Oh my God.
I'm telling him, yeah, boy.
My
My
son.
son. I'm actually more to my son.
What the pop work around? What's your room?
The ball phone, my work, the ball phone, young puppies at the phone.
Are we tired?
Atucha koroza kuluma time man koroza baba wako.
Guys, ngaza manje. Telele ngaza manje.
Yo, if I had the show there, I want to so like it was a video. The old lady line pensen ingana nezingane old lady. We I was she crazy.
Tell baba mncane nje.
Ubaba unangaki. Cause yabuza masiyalingana lento bro.
Baba ngafuna escape kwathina lapha.
Manje baba uzosipha imali. Yeah.
Lo show yona sobe ngithi.
Yeah.
Ithatha.
Yeah.
Ayenzayo into nizenzayo eAfrica.
Ubaba uzosipha imali.
South Africa.
South Africa kuyaphila boy. Mongenze lutho ngempilo yakho nje South Africa you are behind selo wena boy. Just do something boy. Pull shy back in your face, good. Just do something boy.
Hands up boy.
Hands up boy. Late man, shuplik somnyama.
Ukusindane nawe. Phela kuthiwa into le ngayenza kuthiwa abo uzitshela ukuthi ngeke uyenze into ngoba thina sinendaba ngasinandaba.
Sinandaba wena, we don't care a damn boy. Alokuthi wenzana.
Bazokhuluma whether uyayenza lento
Noma yini either or they gonna talk. Oy. God, that's why we la kali podcast and shit. We sport bazophela. Well, we're not policing and shit. Oh shit, they fell off and stuff. What happens to the fell guy? Oh nah. Shit in Kuluma, bro. What are you not doing shit? Why are you doing shit in Kuluma? Just do your shit, boy, and focus on yourself. Don't focus on Bantu in there, boy. You're not gonna get anywhere, boy. Doom scrolling your vids at home, hating. Just hating. Jaden.
But you're still watching, boy. That's a W.
Bro, hates a
W. You're still watching.
Were we up? Oh, we had motion. I didn't know. For sure, we had motion, boy. Nah, we had motion. Yeah.
Moving crazy.
Nisha man for autograph or photos. I'll be happy to take them, bye.
So the podcast in yung sangano like
I was such a great podcast super game. Whoa. We were never friends, so
Podcast yung sangano. Mangat.
Yeah, I'm a guest, a cool Mario, bro. Like, we are not liable for guests. intellectual guest like
It's the case, baba.
Sitheni thina?
iyakuba ukhulume ngawe hayibo
ukhuluma ngawe. Ungambuza ngalutho.
Cabanga.
if kuyiqiniso lento noma kulona you want to address it come to the show more than welcome we want to hear both sides of the story hey we are not biased here we listen we don't judge we are a family bro
Cinderella umuntu abantu abaroko mfethu guest
ungakhulunywa nawe ke boy like we're not talking about you at all
Hayi usenze one uthi like wait ngenzeni manje
yangizwa
try to retain hayibo
yangizwa
yeah
what
yo I get
yamuzwa yini boy
what
ngicela khulula
ngempeleni was a screenshot
yamuzwa
angiyamuzwa bese yeah
umuzwa over i-text
cabanga yes
yabu uyawuza lo uyangizwa unetone yabo unetone
nangona ibhaliwe textiwe
khona full stop boy uyangizwa
Abene lo yangizwa
hayibo
yeah. Like sorry my sister
the hate you be getting we're not even up yet into zoyenza bro
ugqokile but
ile nto kuthiwa wafida ama-lies are wrong like there's a hater isosi yakhe i-hater boy yamgok I know now the first that's not show me very stuff so
yabo ba
kwagcine buzile lapho ukuthi so uKhofi ayikhulumelani ngolokhunja lapha ngathi mina we were not liable for that uKhofi akukhuluma nge-ex yakhe lapha thina singendawo
mabuye Khofi futhi
we want coffee back
Nyele futhi mabuye
yeah
ubuye uGofu uzochaza isitori ukuthi
hayi qondisa mabuye phela
with the famous meme boy kuthiwa sazi naku-TikTok nje yabo siyadinga ama-clips boy Kofi made that episode you everyone's gonna hit numbers but if you didn't did it the first day
kenani akakamera na anabasaba
inkinga avele zange abe yi-one umuntu akhalaza ngala episode thing because he wasn't the only one she wasn't the only one
ungakhalaza ikinto zokusimanga igama lakho awufuni
1 2 3 ka
enangiqala omunye yabo lo wakhalaza yena
BS total bullshit boy
ekhalela dog
manje mama iphoyisa
umuntu ngothi mfethu asizokutira nawe nikhuluma ngami hayibo hayibo
he wasn't lying though
angasoli mfethu manje
he wasn't lying though
you weren't perfect
angasoli
apha manga lapho kule nto ayikhuluma
you just proving him right like yabona improve right nje ukuthi uyazisola why you acting like that why you gagamela bro
chill
so podcast yomsangano
podcast yomsangano podcast equipment should be more expensive bro
yo
lapho it doesn't have to be so expensive right
uzohlangana yonke
hey
yonke izizohlangana
we'll always be here boy dropping another episode after another episode
I've got to make a plan
so nigga into cater manje bro motion like that's a top question I get like how did you sahlangana kanjani nawe ngohlangana nabantu or something people who watch the podcast that's the only question they like how did you guys
sahlangana nabo na
classified
khuluma nabo it was like okay DM me khuluma kahle kusapho la ngesikwazi ukushuta next mashilo in the trenches
saba Bruce laba bajo nje futhi nigga
showcase ngalahleka ifoni yami
yo yabona that time yo lapho khona ama interviews
bana ama interviews angaphumanga
yo
iqiniso bezila
yo lama interviews bro yeah for sure
no it's a mall face no it's a mall
but like shake yourself cosmo
yabo ama-interviews sematshwaleni
Yeah, but
Fire.
that is clean.
Kade iqithi kakhulu.
Umuntu odake open yakhona.
ngikhulumela
Ala bakhulu. Yo.
Hayibo.
free flowing
Hayibo. Into prefer chocolate box. Hayibo.
And he liked it even more.
Hayibo mfana.
ngilumana nama-clients maningi
Hayibo Tony awabhenya makufita abantu. Ayini.
Cabanga i-first time experience yakhe abugrenye.
Hayibo mfana.
amluma usafuna ubhisi
Zamani nje belambile wanye uze.
Hlafuna ubhizi mthena hlafuna ubhotshisi.
Like I was going through your head.
I was more intrusive thoughts boy awina lapha.
Umanjani kule situation sir?
amantombazane niyabekeza
Vele labantombazana ngeke yo. Hayi bayavelela boy.
Renye umjika mfethu.
Hawo.
abekezela amaqhiwu
You ayinazenza izinto abolova.
Relations.
Nah man. Anenza kakhulu bafana. You ain't no ways.
You do too much.
That's crazy. Yeah.
It is what it is.
It is what it is.
Yeah, ngicabanga ukuthi bazoshaya manje.
Ships small, circle small, shit.
I feel like circles. The shit is shy. I try to draw like.
Yeah. Well, push-ups in more, yeah, shape more. Yeah, I think, yeah.
hlangene South Coast yona
Especially on weekends, yeah, the space is full.
from Popo too much to
Zingo, 20. Nje,
Yeah, Miss
full as fuck.
Shana my YouTube videos. Smash video kill.
Nje. Just for interviews, boy.
Always chopped.
yo
Yeah.
Bakile bonke boy.
You.
you are cook
You cook. Don't chase it though, boy. Don't chase it.
content
Content, boy. Don't chase it, boy.
anginazi nokunazi
Don't get po. Yeah. But yeah, we should try that. Yeah, we've been yapping a lot now. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. We'll be back again with another episode.
Next week. Please like,
Comment
komentani guys
and subscribe. Comment. Just feedback, boy. I need you must buzz about Facebook. We ain't stopping anyways. Yes, yeah.
Unsaid. What else you'd like to watch? What type of games you watch?
what type of content
You feel me? Talk to us, people. We show you. And just I'm afraid to like incorporate your ideas. Yeah.
W's in the chat. Thank you, guys. Yo. Yeah.